In the early 20th century, poverty in America was on the rise, and it wasn't backing down anytime soon. The cycle of poverty has been defined for families become impoverished for at least 3 generations, or for enough time that the family includes no surviving ancestors who possess and can transmit the intellectual, social, and cultural capital inherent to social mobility.
All Americans must have the privileges of citizenship, regardless of race. And they are going to have those privileges of citizenship, regardless of race. Of course, people cannot contribute to the nation if they are never taught to read or write. If their bodies are stunted from hunger, if their sickness goes untended, if their life is spent in hopeless poverty, just drawing a welfare check. So we want to open the gates to opportunity. But we're also going to give all our people, black and white, the help that they need to walk through those gates.
In 1964, in the wake of epidemic poverty, President Lyndon B. Johnson rallied Congress to declare the war on poverty. Shortly thereafter, Sergeant Shriver assembled a panel of experts to develop a comprehensive child development program that would help communities meet the needs of disadvantaged preschool children. Among these experts were Dr. Robert Cook, a pediatrician at Johns Hopkins University, and Dr. Edward Ziegler, a professor of psychology and director of the Child Study Center at Yale University. Launched as an 8-week summer program by the Office of Economic Opportunity in 1965, Project Head Start was designed to help break the cycle of poverty by providing preschool children of low-income families with a comprehensive program to meet their emotional, social, health, nutritional, and psychological needs. Recruiting children aged 3 to school entry age, Head Start was enthusiastically received by education, child development specialists, community leaders, and parents across the nation. Most recently, Head Start was reauthorized with bipartisan support in 2007. The provisions in the Improving Head Start for School Readiness Act of 2007 include alignment of Head Start school readiness goals with state early learning standards, higher qualifications for Head Start teachers, state advisory councils on early care and education, and increased program monitoring, including a review of child outcomes and annual financial audits. Since Head Start's early inception as an 8-week program, a national front against poverty and movement to increase opportunities for all citizens have not only been maintained, but they've continued to flourish with the support of their communities.
As an active participant in the movement to eradicate poverty, Salt Lake Community Action Program, or CAP, opened its first Head Start program in the summer of 1965, with 34 students in 2 classrooms. By September of 1966, the program had proven so successful that Salt Lake CAP was funded to run the program during the school year. Throughout the past 50 years, Salt Lake CAP has been the grantee agency for the Salt Lake and Tooele counties. In the early 1970s, Granite and Salt Lake City school districts became subcontractors for their service areas. In 1993, Jordan School District was added as a subcontractor. In an effort to ensure equality to all Head Start families, Salt Lake CAP became the single Head Start grantee in 2000, fully administering the program. This transition has led to a stronger program, which is now the foremost supplier of quality early childhood services in Salt Lake and Tooele counties. Currently, Salt Lake CAP Head Start serves over 2,100 families in 71 classrooms each year, and is the only program in the area to provide holistic preschool that includes health, education, and self-sufficiency services for the whole family. Winner of Best in State Public Preschool Program 4 years running, recognized by Michelle Obama's Let's Move campaign, and the recipient of Ernst & Young's Social Entrepreneur of the Year Award. We are proud to report that 100% of our children received health screenings in our program. Over 94% of our children are academically, socially, and emotionally prepared to enter kindergarten. and over 90% of our families entered into the goal-setting process with the case manager to get on a path to self-sufficiency. In addition to having an incredible staff and dedicated partners, one of the most important factors to our agency's success is you. Our supporters and community not only believe in us, but believe in these children. Though Salt Lake CAP and Head Start have made incredible differences in many families' lives, poverty is still a considerable issue. The average family of 4 in Salt Lake CAP Head Start's program has an annual household income of just $14,516. Through education for both children and parents, we can bring these families closer to independence. Thank you so much for your dedication and commitment. Your generosity truly makes an impact on the lives of these children.